Okay,
So
here
we
are eating your feed. This is Annie and I'm Nikki. Our best friend Adam has challenged us to recreate black ice cream in a black waffle cone, and it's based off of this viral video. We tried Instagram famous gothic ice cream. Are you a goth?
I wish. So the ice cream is from this place called Little Damage in downtown LA.
Yeah, it really is black. So it is just soft serve. It comes out of a soft serve machine, but they put sprinkles on it. Can we get sprinkles?
Yeah.
It says it's vanilla rose flavor, but it's infused with activated charcoal. So I did a little bit of research. There's this video called Pro Tips, How to Make Soft Serve Ice Cream at Home from Saveur magazine. This guy, Chris Young, makes ice cream using dry ice. And I think he puts it in the freezer for a little while too to make sure that all of it sublimates.
What does that mean?
Snow and ice changing into water vapor in the air without first melting into water.
Oh, I remember this.
So his recipe is mostly milk with a little bit of cream, sugar, salt, and vanilla. I also don't know what dry ice is. Solid carbon dioxide.
I'm really bad at science.
Me too.
And
So our expert and other best friend and third Asian woman with short hair, Rie, is here.
Wow,
Look at this.
We are Asian Powerpuff Girls.
it's true.
We're making soft serve ice cream that is infused with activated charcoal.
When you're using dry ice, don't touch with bare hand.
Don't touch it with hands.
Yeah,
Got it.
Fewer the ingredients, it's more difficult to make. This is a lot of ingredients.
So it should be fine.
It should be fine.
Great. Thanks, Rie.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so let's go get our stuff, yeah? All right, we got dry ice, dry milk powder, and wet milk. But we could not find rose water. Oh no. We got stuff. Are you okay to touch it like that?
I don't think so. It burned a little bit.
No. Well, we have dry ice. 12 pounds of it. It's sublimating. Okay, we gotta put this in the freezer. So first we should make waffles. We're just making waffle batter from a box. And we need to make it black with the charcoal, which we had shipped to us because I guess it's hard to find. Oh. Oh my God, it exploded. Okay, can you somehow get those into this bowl?
How much?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Okay, well, that's the charcoal. Should we taste it? It's just a powdery substance. I got the oil and the eggs. Did you get the water? What did you do?
Can you tell I don't make anything?
You couldn't put it in a measuring cup. Let's do it. Oils. Why does it smell like cake?
Yeah.
Okay, now time to add the charcoal. That's
Let's add it gradually.
Yes.
And just see how that goes.
Ugh. This does not look like a thing you should eat. More! It might get darker when it cooks.
I'm gonna get food coloring just to be safe.
Yeah.
So let's add a couple drops. I don't know how many.
We'll find out. So this is our waffle cone maker. And then it also came with this thing, which I guess is like after it bakes, it'll come out and still be warm, and then you can mold it into this shape. Should we get a baking tray for them when they're done?
Oh yeah.
I like how you put one eggshell in each bowl. She does stuff kind of weird, but I like it. Oh, it's green. Okay, ready?
How much?
Good, good,
is
good.
that?
Yeah, good, good. When do we open it? Let's check on it.
Oh, it turned brown.
Yeah. It's hardening. Oh, do we put it in? No, we don't put it in.
I don't think it's big enough. Oh, I ripped it.
Is it too hot? We gotta do low and slow. It's not black. It's blue. Why is it blue?
So we added a ton more charcoal.
Yes,
We'll
okay.
see if it's dark enough.
So let's try a minute. I turned the color control down, which I don't know what exactly that does, but I'm assuming it'll make it less brown. Oh, better, yes. Oh, not done, it's not done. It's very, very soft. Okay.
It was premature screaming.
Oh. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, the tip is open.
That's fine. You get a little dribble drabble at the bottom. It happens.
Ah!
You stabbed it.
We don't need all that. We need a color reference.
First one. And to our second one, the color is definitely better. Okay, so it's not baked enough. I just didn't want it to turn brown. Okay, that was 2 minutes, so let's do 2.5.
I don't think it was quite big enough.
Gentle.
Oh
It's
no,
not
no,
crispy.
it's not.
Maybe our batter's too thick. Okay, so it's not really getting crispy, but I also don't want to turn up the color control on the waffle maker because I don't want it to be brown on the outside. So we're gonna thin out the batter with a little bit of water. Everything at the end of the day is just gonna be black. Oh God, it's so crispy, so fast. Okay, but better. Look at that.
Oh!
Oh! Less cook time, thin batter is better. Oh yeah, do you hear that? Oh, it's pretty good. So I think we're getting the hang of the crispy texture, but they still don't look as black as they do in the video. So I wonder if for the rest of our batter, we'll just dump more charcoal in there. Okay, if this doesn't make a very dark black hole cone, I don't know what will.
Oh, this one looks pretty good.
Yes. Oh, that feels great.
Ah!
Oh, this one's so good. Does it look like I have a black beak?
You know how much I love crows. We have 6 usable cones. What's the definition of usable?
They're cones. This is our hero cone.
She's beautiful.
Drink break.
Yeah, but you make it for me.
Okay. Well, I figured since we have all of this charcoal, and I thought it'd be fun to try a white Russian, but with a twist, and use charcoal, and then it'll be like black and white.
Spooky.
Okay, so we're gonna start with ice. Finger ice. This is a drink making thing.
It's a little measuring thing.
Yeah, it's gonna measure our booze for us. 1.5 ounces of Smirnoff vodka. What makes White Russians kind of visually cool is how the milk kind of mixes with the coffee liqueur. But what we're gonna do is mix the charcoal with the coffee liqueur. And then it's gonna be black. Ooh. It looks evil. The top of a White Russian is cream. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of cream. Wow. Bam. Look at how cool that looks. There we go. Black and White Russian with charcoal. Cheers. Adam? I feel like this is kind of you as a drink. Goes with your outfit.
Yeah.
Now it's time to make ice cream. We gotta get moving pretty quickly here because our dry ice is out and it will sublimate. So we're gonna put it into this bag and then crush it with a rolling pin. The bag broke. I forgot that that was...
the ball.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use Chris Young's recipe from that Saveur magazine video. The only thing we're changing is we're adding charcoal. 1,000 grams of whole milk. 100 grams of heavy cream. 225 grams of sugar. Do you wanna do 3.5 grams of salt? That's a lot of salt. It's fine, it's okay, it's okay, just put it away. That's the milk powder.
This is 95 grams.
It smells like farts. I'm scooping out the vanilla and the vanilla bean, and we could not find rose water, so we're not doing that. Wanna go get some vanilla? I don't think this is gonna be enough. Is that it? Is that all the ingredients? All right, let's whip her up. They say to be well incorporated before we add the dry ice. I hope this works. Here goes. Science! Oh, we didn't add charcoal. What a disaster.
I don't understand what I'm looking at.
It looks like a cauldron full
It looks
of
like
bad stuff.
Yeah,
to
sludge.
curse your enemies.
it's getting close to the top.
It's just getting bigger. Why is it alive? It looks like we put a curse on it.
It's very cold. We're doing something right.
We're almost there. Yeah. We're almost there. Okay, this definitely looks closer to an ice cream texture. Because the point is to freeze it while it's churning so it becomes soft but still creamy. What happens if you eat the dry ice? Like if the chunks are too big?
Basically get a burn.
We could kill all our coworkers.
Andrew! We've definitely made progress. Oh God, it's having a hard time. Oh, it's so frozen at the bottom, that's what it is. It is a little icy, but I don't know if stirring it more will help. Tastes kind of weird.
What's the flavor supposed to be?
I don't know.
I would not eat this.
We're making another batch. I saw another Chef Steps video where the guy blends the ice cream base first so that it's really well incorporated. I also think it'll help dissolve the milk powder a little better because we think that's what makes it taste kind of funky. We'll do that and we'll blend the charcoal in so we're not just like tossing that in too late. Okay, I'm gonna blend it up.
Wow, this is very nice.
This is a high-tech blender. Are you okay?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, this looks blended to me. Charcoal's so weird. Look at that foam. Also, I think last time, because we didn't have enough dry ice and we had to like stop.
That's true.
I feel like we need to continuously just incorporate it.
I think this will be better than the first time.
I guess like soft serve machines are just always churning, right?
That makes sense.
There's definitely less screaming this time.
That makes me a little sad.
So we're about 10 minutes into mixing. We've put a lot of dry ice in. It definitely looks thicker.
Ooh.
It does taste different.
Yeah. Did it punch you in the back of the throat?
No, what is wrong with your head?
It definitely still tastes of dry milk,
But it's better. Okay, let's get some piping bags. All right, you want to scoop? I'll hold. It's a little melty.
Uh-oh.
Ooh! So this sat in the freezer for a few minutes. Definitely looks like it's solidified. Still looks a little like poopy.
Looks like tentacles.
Also, our friends are here to make me nervous. Hi.
Hey, we're here to make you nervous when it's the critical moment.
This is better.
Wow, that looks
It's
very soft.
Not immediately.
It's very soft.
Yeah, the soft wasn't the issue.
The tip is you're supposed to bend it before you use it, but
Bend
it's-
it?
Yeah.
What? Okay, this is very cold.
Okay.
Come here, please.
Wow.
Nikki.
Yay! Do you want some sprinkles?
Yeah, matches your outfit.
Yeah, the sprinkles are my
Oh,
personality.
good.
Why is it carbonated?
That's right. It tastes carbonated.
Because we used dry ice. It is ice cream.
I think so.
Yeah.
And you made the cones too?
We did make the cones.
Wow.
This is the best one. Annie, we did it.
I didn't mention this throughout the entire video, but I'm very lactose intolerant.
So we have black charcoal waffle cone and then charcoal vanilla soft serve ice cream. It tastes like it's sour, but it's not sour.
Success.
Sour it up. This one's for Adam. Keep going, keep going. Okay.
The task was to make charcoal waffle cones and charcoal ice cream. We succeeded.
Yeah.
Are you gonna leave with that? Have fun. And this has been eating your feed.
Oh, yes.